Welcome back to Zapit. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of accepting a sell offer and completing a trade on our P2P exchange. First, open the Zapit app on your device, and then navigate to the P2P exchange section. Here, click on the Sell tab, and you'll see a list of available offers. Select any offer that you wish to accept. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin Cash you wish to sell, and choose your preferred payment method. Enter your payment details and click on Confirm to proceed. Now, you will need to wait to receive funds from the buyer. And in case, if you don't receive the payment and the order is marked as complete, click on Need Help with this order button at the bottom of your screen. Our support will help to refund your Bitcoin Cash after reviewing the proof. Once you've received the payment, click Confirm to let the buyer know that you have received the payment and complete the transaction. Don't forget to rate the buyer to let other users know about your experience. And that's it. You've successfully accepted a sell offer on Zapit's P2P exchange. Remember to always practice safe trading practices and only confirm once you have received the payment. Happy trading! For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.